Hi, Mr. Eaton here. Year 7 video lesson 1.8, which is on estimating and rounding. Remember to record some important information into your study notes section of your exercise book, and to stop the video whenever you need to make some notes, and also when you are completing the practice questions. Right, let's go. Well, just a little bit of information first of all. Estimates or approximations to answers of problems can be found by rounding numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands. So this is estimates or approximations that we're talking about. If we look at a number, for example 932, we sometimes refer to the leading digit. The leading digit is the first number in any sequence of numbers. So in this case the 9 is the leading digit. Other things you need to know: if the next number in a number is either a 0, 1, 2, 3 or a 4, we obviously round the number down, and if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we round the number up. Alright, so if I had 932 and I wanted to round that to the nearest 100, what I would do is I'd look at the leading digit, that's 9 or 900. That number is 3, therefore it's in this grouping over here, which means I need to round it down. So 932 rounded down gives me 900. What about this number over here, 968? Put the video on pause and have a go. Well, how did you go? 968. Well, 900 is the leading digit. 6 falls in this grouping over here, which means we need to round it up. So 968 is actually written as 1000. Now there's a special symbol that we use, which is this over here, two little wavy lines, which means approximately equal to. So previously, where I had 932, I would say 932 is approximately equal to 900. And 968 is approximately equal to 1000. And that is specifically for rounding purposes. So 932 rounded is approximately equal to 900, and 968 rounded is approximately equal to 1000. Right, well, let's do some practice. If I had the number 86 and I wanted you to round that to the nearest 10, what do we need to do? Well, the first thing we need to do is identify a leading digit, which is an 8 or 80, and our next digit after that is a 6. So is the next digit after our leading digit greater than or less than 5? Well, it's greater than. Therefore, that means I need to round 86 up to the nearest 10. So therefore 86 is approximately equal to 90. Have a go at this one. 4142, and I want you to round that to the nearest 100. Well, how did we go? I hope you recognized that we needed to round 142 to the nearest 100, because that is 4000. So we should, in this case, leave our 4 where it is and have a look at 142. 100 is our leading digit, and 4 is the next digit. Is 4 greater or less than 5? Well, it's less than. Therefore 142 actually needs to be rounded down to 100. So we have 4142 is approximately equal to 4100. Hope you got that one right. We can also use the leading digit to do some approximations of sums. So for example, if we had 42 and we wanted to multiply that by 7, we could say that that was, the 42 that is approximately equal to 40. Because the leading digit in 42 is a 4, the next digit is the 2, so therefore we round 42 down to 40. And then we can multiply that by 7. So 40 multiplied by 7 is 280. How did I get that? Well, I multiplied by 7 by 4 to give me 28, and 7 by 0 gives me 0. So 40 by 7 is 280. Alright, well done. Have a go at this one. 95 multiplied by 326 is approximately equal to what? Now, don't let this fool you. Look at the 95, what are you going to round that to? 326, what are you going to round that to? Put the video on pause and come back when you're ready. See if you got it right. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at 95. My leading digit is a 9. The next digit is 5, which is 5 or greater than 5. Therefore 95 must be rounded to 100. What about 326? Leading digit is 3, so it's 300. 20 or 2 is less than 5. Therefore 326 must be rounded to 300. Now is my equal sign. I have a look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so my answer is going to have 4 zeros, and then I'm going to multiply my 3 by my 1 to give me 3. So my answer therefore is 30,000. And that's estimating and rounding. Hope you did okay with that lesson.